How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality and with HD quality. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you have the updated version of the app and just open it up. Then make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, you will then need to head over to your profile. So if you're on your Android, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on settings. After you're there, tap on your profile on the top here. Then you will see the edit option. Now you can edit your picture or you can change your picture from right here. Or what you can do instead of that to preserve quality is head over to a chat. So head over to a chat, whichever you want. And after you're here, you will need to send a picture. So when you choose a picture, choose the one that you want to set as your profile picture. Enable the HD option. Choose HD quality. Then tap on send. After you tap on send, you will then need to reinstall this picture. So open this up, then tap on the three dots on the top right, and then tap on save. After you save this picture, you will then need to head over to your profile like we did earlier. Tap on the three dots on the top right, tap on settings, tap on your profile, then tap on edit. Now choose gallery from here and choose the most recent picture in which you use an HD one. Then tap on done. And after you tap on done, you'll have set the HD picture as your wallpaper. And there we go, it's that simple, and that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.